Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team's called Grunt. And after almost 4 days, we finally finished Super Boss number 43. Time for Super Boss number 44. Guys, we have a lot of options here. We have our kind of super strong Fire Blast, Magmar. We also have a very strong Mamoswine. Kind of confusing to choose who we want to use, but I hope this isn't as difficult as the previous Super Boss. That was frustrating as heck, guys. My HP is so low already. Oh, I like this. So far, we are doing fine. We might die in this first round, but it's fine. We might die. We're gonna die. We're definitely gonna die. I'm gonna quickly switch to Tyrant and just run away! I think we have to use Brick Break. Oh my gosh, he just used a solar beam on me. Brick Break. Brick Break. I'm gonna try and kill you with Fire Blast. 2, 3. Oh my gosh, switch. Oh my goodness. Hopefully, we win this immediately without too much. Oh my gosh, my HP! Oh no! Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Yes! We didn't die. We didn't die. That was Super Boss number 44. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Battles are tough. Battles are very tough. And this is Super Boss number 45. In the next video, guys, I am afraid of Super Boss number 46. Seriously afraid. We might not be able to beat him. Ugh. Let's just see what we can do. Thank you so much for watching. Rawr.